Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a realistic croc mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my image over here, and the first thing to do is to right click this and then select the object selection tool. Now I'll draw around the croc to make a selection of it. You can use any of the selection tools of your choice, but then I prefer going with the object selection tool. So now that I have my selection ready, I'll press Command J or Control J. If you're on Windows, it's Control J, but then if you're on Mac, it's Command J. So I'll press it 2 times. Let me rename this to 1. Let me rename this to 2. Now right click on the layer 1 and convert it to smart objects. I'll right click on layer 2 again and also convert that one to smart object. When I'm done, I will turn the visibility of the layer 2, then I'll select layer 1. So now what I'll do is, let me import my pattern. I'll just drag and drop my pattern over here. Now press Command T or Control T and resize the pattern to match the croc. I think this is okay for me. Nice. So with this done, right click on the patterns layer and then select Create Clipping Mask to clip it onto the layer 1. So you have something like this. So now with that done, what we have to do is to change its blend mode. So let's change the blend mode of the pattern. Let's change it from normal to linear burn, something like this. Okay, now go to FX and select blending options. Over here we'll be working with the underlining layer, so we're working with the white side. Hold down the Option or Alt key. If you're on Windows, it's Alt, but then if you're on Mac, it's Option. So hold down the Option or Alt key to left click this side, and then it will split this thing over here. Then just drag it to the left side. So let's go with something like this. So I think 215 here. The 215 is okay for me. Then I'll click on OK. Now after doing that, what I'll do is I will select the layer 2 and then turn on its visibility. And what I'll do is I'll change its blend mode from normal to multiply. Nice. So I think we are good to go. Now let me reduce its opacity a little bit. So let me go with an opacity of, let's say, 80. Yeah, so this is okay. Okay guys, so this is how to create a realistic Crocs mockup in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others. See you in the next video.